I welcome you to this video. In this video, I want to show you guys how to navigate around in this course if you are using mobile phone. A lot of you guys have contacted me and they say they are confused. They don't know how to navigate around if they are using phone. All you need to do is, if you log in like this, it will take you to this first interface. If you have watched the video before, you will see that it has calculated the percentage of the video you have watched. If you want to watch more, simply click on this icon, these courses. You see the number of videos is showing here is 6 of 125. Click on that and it will take you to more videos. Let's click on that. If I click on that now to load, okay, now it has taken me to one of the videos. If I don't want to watch this one, what I will do next is I will click on this particular icon. Let's click on this icon here, this particular icon. Now you see all the videos. You see all the videos here. You can grab this slider. You see this slider on the right hand side here. You can use it to scroll through. You can scroll through. I can collapse this. If I click on this arrow now, this arrow that is pointing upward here, this small arrow that is pointing upward, if I click on it, it will collapse all the lessons under software installation. Okay, if I want to expand it, all I need to do is to click on that arrow. For example, I can expand this preamble by clicking on that small arrow. I'll click on this arrow and it will expand all of them. From here, I can choose the topic to watch, but I encourage you to watch it step by step. Start from introduction. From introduction, get to the next topic, how to gain access to the Revit course. Then you go like that. When you are done with the preamble, you can now go to the next subtopic. You can go to the next subtopic, which is software installation. So if I want to expand software installation now, I will click on that small arrow and here I am. You can see all the topic under software installation. Okay, if I want to go to modeling practice part 1, all I need to do is to click on that small arrow again. Click on this small arrow that's pointing downward and you will expand it. Here you are. So if I want to watch any of this video, let's say if I want to go to day 1, I simply click on it. You simply click on that day 1 and it will start playing this particular day 1 here. Click on it and it should load. If you have a good network, it should be able to load. Okay, now it has loaded, but this is blocking us. All you need to do to clear this one off is to click on this star icon here. You will collapse that. Now you can watch this video if it is a video, or you download it. But I highly recommend that you use computer. Computer is better. But if you want to watch it with phone, it's left for you. But your best experience will come from using computer. See you in the next video. Bye.